Welcome back to our channel. If you're a medical student or graduate looking to gain clinical experience in the USA, finding a clerkship opportunity can be a crucial step. Today we're breaking down the process and providing tips on how to secure a clerkship in the United States. Let's get started. Clerkships are essential for gaining hands-on experience and understanding the healthcare system in the USA. They can also be a stepping stone for those planning to apply for residency programs. You can choose between clinical clerkships in specialties like internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and more. Elective clerkships allow you to explore areas of interest, while core clerkships cover essential medical disciplines. Start with thorough research. Look for hospitals, medical schools, and teaching institutions in the USA that offer clerkship programs. Websites like the American Medical Association, or AMA, and the Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates, or ECFMG, are great resources. These platforms provide comprehensive lists and details about available clerkship opportunities, helping you identify programs that align with your career goals. Networking is key. Connect with current medical students, residents, or alumni who have completed clerkships in the USA. Attend medical conferences, webinars, and online forums to build connections and gain insights. Personal recommendations and first-hand experiences can provide valuable information and potentially open doors to clerkship opportunities that might not be widely advertised. Once you've identified potential programs, check their specific requirements. These often include a curriculum vitae, or CV, personal statement, letters of recommendation, proof of immunizations, and sometimes passing scores on exams like the United States Medical Licensing Examination, or USMLE. Each program may have unique prerequisites, so it's crucial to review them carefully to ensure your application is complete. Prepare your application documents meticulously. Tailor your personal statement to highlight your interest in the specific specialty and why you're eager to learn in the USA. Strong letters of recommendation can significantly boost your application. Make sure your CV is up to date and accurately reflects your academic achievements, clinical experiences, and any relevant extracurricular activities. Don't forget to consider the financial aspects. Some clerkships may require fees, and you should budget for travel, accommodation, and living expenses. Additionally, ensure you understand the visa requirements for participating in a clerkship in the USA. The B1/B2 visa is commonly used, but always verify with the institution to ensure you have the correct documentation. Persistence is key. It might take time to secure a clerkship, but don't get discouraged. Keep applying and reaching out. And once you land an opportunity, make the most of it by being proactive, eager to learn, and professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Good luck with your clerkship search, and we'll see you next time with more valuable tips and advice. Stay determined and keep learning.